Here I have the bulk cover gasket for my Acura. So I'm about to get this baby clean, and then I'm gonna drill 2 holes right here, one here for the dash 10 aluminum bungs. I'm gonna get those welded, and then I'll cut these off, and then I'll weld this shut. So yeah, let me show you guys. I'm gonna use my baby here. This is a secret degreaser that I use for all that. They will remove all that stains, those are oil stains out of it. It's really good stuff. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then after that, I'll spray with the water hose. Yeah, this thing is so clogged that it's been sitting for such a long time, so just spray some more so I can get all that stuff out of it. Go rinse the inside part. Look at that already. Woo! It's almost out. Look at that. There's some serious stuff right here. Just spray some more. I want that thing looking almost like coming out of the factory. That should be good enough. After I'm done installing those aluminum bungs, dash 10 aluminum bungs, I will be sending this out to my good buddy of mine so he can do some power coating. So I'm gonna do a wrinkle black, classic wrinkle black. So I have them marked already where I want them at. So now I'm gonna grab this hole saw and just drill it, both holes out, and then yeah, I'm gonna install the aluminum bungs and then weld them all the way around. So let me start drilling. There we go, we got one already. Let's go for the next one. So there we have it, both bunks welded on to the wall cover. What I got left is cutting this off and blocking it. There we have it. I ended up shaving that breather hose that I had right there. Also, it had two holes right here for like one here and another one right here. It was for like some 10mm screws. So I shaved those off. Also, this valve cover had a bunch of like casting marks all over here, like all over that, and all these throughout the whole valve cover. And I end up cleaning it out, so whenever I send it out to the power coating, probably tomorrow, it's gonna look all nice and clean. So yeah, I'm excited to have this wrinkle black already on my car, so can't wait for that. If you guys enjoyed the video, please big old thumbs up. If you want more, subscribe for more. And until the next one, peace out.